I was sent this beautiful HTV from TeckWrap. So we are going to give this heat transfer vinyl a try. For this project, I'm going to be using TeckWrap Craft HTV, that is sublimation, and I am going to be using their sublimation paper, the 120. So we are going to get started with our design. I started in my Etsy shop. I will have a link below for this. I want to use this old school design here. I like this and it's going to be a gift for someone, and I think he will like it a lot. So now I'm going to my Cricut design space and I have already uploaded this into Cricut design space. So I am going to get to making this. Yeah, I'll save it. Let's see, old school. Let's see here. Save, and then we'll continue. And we will go and we will get this started. So let's hit continue here. We're going to send it to the printer. Let's see, we have mirror off. So we will mirror this in our printer settings. So I'm going to hit next and I'm going to leave the bleed on and I'm going to use system dialog here and I'm going to click print. And it's going to come into my printer and I'm going to be using my Epson EcoTank 2840. That is my sublimation printer. I converted it by adding sublimation ink. I'll have a link below for that conversion as well. And I will have a link below of all the materials that I used today. And also there will be a discount code there. So now we're going to go under preferences and we are going to make sure we have premium presentation paper matte selected and high quality. And then under more options, I like to go under image options and emphasize more and emphasize thin lines. And then we want to turn bidirectional or high speed off and we want to mirror our image. Okay, so now I'll hit print and we will get this design printed. So I trimmed down my sublimation print and I have my sublimation HTV on the mat. So let's get this cut. So now I've changed this to a basic cut up here. And I am going to take this gray part off and I'm going to delete it. And now I am just going to hit make. And we're going to be doing it on a mat. So I chose heat transfer non-Cricut. And we want to make sure that we are mirroring this as well. So make sure you have your mirror on here. This weeds so simple. You just pull and it goes so simple. Very easy material to work with. I'll get this weeded and we will get it pressed. So I have pre-pressed my shirt and I have a nice press line in there so that we know where center is. And I have my HTV Ront Auto Heat Press 2 fired up. So for this HTV, Sublimation HTV, the time and temperature is 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 seconds. So let's get this pressed. This sublimation HTV was a cool peel, so let it cool completely. Now we're raising our temperature up to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're going to be pressing this sublimation image on at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 seconds as per the package recommendations. So now our sublimation print is on our sublimation ready HTV. So we're going to put some protective paper down here. And again, we are going to be pressing this 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 seconds. Wow, the color is absolutely amazing. You can see how much it picked up off of the sublimation paper. This looks amazing. I missed a couple spots here when I was weeding. Here's one here, And there's one there. There's a couple. So be extra careful when you're weeding. It is hard to see on that white. There's another one there. But all in all, this TeckWrap sublimation paper and sublimation HTV is amazing. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel, see links below, and leave me a comment.